Hey guys, this is Mighty Ronan. How are you? Let me know your ends of this day, night, afternoon. Yes, for me, it's afternoon. So, yep, it's afternoon. So that's how it's my. So yeah, let me know how you guys are doing. If you're doing well, please do leave a comment. And I always ask this: if you want me to do any gameplay, boarding, unboarding. What I always say, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, you haven't started, please hit that start button, hit that little bell, and also if you like to do it, with a comment. So yeah, yeah, that's ass. So yeah, guys, if you haven't also done, please do enjoy my little buddy TW. We'll be known as Team Self. So yeah, guys, please do it's up to him, it's up to me. So yeah, guys, if you know where we are, we're in Bateau. And yeah, if you don't know us, no, you have to that's sort of here. From past videos I had one here. Well, sorry, at this point, I had a haircut. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. Please let me know in the comments below what you want me to do. I might go back and tell my comments what you guys been saying. I might do that. I'm sorry if my hat's a bit off. And if you see, he has this different hat. Because it's not my use noise. Because it's my sample, so I put my head. If you want to know best setting, I will. Yeah. So yeah, guys. Let me know what you want me to do. If you want me to do anything special, guys. And what I say this, give me a comment down below. So yeah, guys. So I haven't made videos ready because I've not been.
Oh, not the greatest.
So yeah, sorry. Yes, I haven't made videos with you guys. If you want me to make videos, please let me know in the comments section below, and I will make videos of them. So yeah, if you know where we are, we're in Bateau. And I never do something just fun. So guys, if you see this stuff, because I never use other bed on my videos. I make that video, I want some or morning cheese. Never. With my bag. And so it's a bit snuffly, guys. I'll try not be that bad for you guys. So yeah, so even a bit not that well. I'm not bad, but I'm not. Yeah, I'm still good to make videos, you know. So yeah. Once then, if you want me to make Minecraft, Forza, Skyrim, and plus WWE, if you want to make WWE, Forza, Skyrim, and Minecraft, please let me know. You know that. Then down the line, I will make them for you. I may even read some comments for you from you. Yes, I have any. I might do best to past videos when I start mentioning comments. So yeah, I might even mention while still best rested. And so yes, so yeah, if you haven't seen me, me and oh, you better know yourself. Still got this bad boy. Please check that out. Check that out, and so yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, check that out. Yeah, and also I might give a little link of if I do tie it of 130. So yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. Once then, please give me a little white comment if you can. Please tell me stuff to you. Get the old boy. It's Mighty Ronan. See you next week. So yes. See you and peace out.